The Rolling Stones is a legendary English rock band, formed in London in 1962. They've been active across 7 decades, making them one of the most enduring bands of the rock era. In the early 1960s, the band pioneered a gritty, rhythmically driven sound that defined hard rock. The first stable lineup included Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, Brian Jones, Bill Wyman, and Charlie Watts. Jones was the primary leader initially, but after Andrew Loog Oldham became the group's manager in 1963, Jagger and Richards took over as the band's songwriters and primary creative forces. The Rolling Stones started out playing covers and were at the forefront of the British invasion in 1964. They found greater success with their own material, with hits like I Can't Get No Satisfaction and Paint It Black. However, Jones developed a drug addiction that interfered with his ability to contribute, leading to his departure and eventual death in 1969. Despite the loss of Jones, the band continued to thrive. They were introduced on stage as the greatest rock and roll band in the world in 1969. Their album Sticky Fingers, which included the first usage of their iconic tongue and lips logo, was their first of 8 consecutive #1 studio albums in the US. The band continued to release successful albums and tour extensively. Even after Wyman's departure in 1993 and Watts' death in 2021, the band remained a major concert attraction. Their latest album, Hackney Diamonds, released in 2023, became their 14th UK #1 album. The Rolling Stones' estimated record sales of 200 million make them one of the best-selling music artists of all time. They've won 3 Grammy Awards and a Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. They were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1989 and the UK Music Hall of Fame in 2004. Both Billboard magazine and Rolling Stone have ranked the band as one of the greatest of all time. From their formation in 1962 to their continued success into the 2020s, the Rolling Stones have left an indelible mark on the world of rock and roll. Their enduring popularity and influence make them a true testament to the power and longevity of rock music.